My beautiful and amazing people, hey, where una dey? Make una come hear matter wey dey ground o. Una see this Regina Daniel matter wey dey circulate the whole social media ever since she posted that video where they went on hotel and they slept over. The next day morning, she come out, come dey for bathroom, dey do her video wey her husband, Senator Ned Nwoko, come enter inside the video where in the PP, she still post am like that, she no delete am. Omo, that particular video don really spark lot of reaction as the elders of Anioma don call Regina Daniel to order. My people, wonders dey say it shall never end. According to the information wey dey reach us now, say e don tey wey dem don dey call Regina Daniel to order. Like some of those things wey she dey do, sometimes she go come post some certain things wey be say, according to their tradition, is a taboo, because the husband is not just an elder, but an elder, a prince for that matter. And for their tradition, e get some certain things wey dey be taboo, wey be say if you do am on a normal time, you will be penalized for doing it. And now the husband no dey talk. E dey always dey allow her dey do wetin dey her mind. Say even him is not left out. For him to keep quiet and not to remind Regina Daniel, say this thing wey you dey do dey wrong, this one wey you dey do dey wrong, he also will be penalized, and they get penalty for such act. Now, according to wetin we dey hear now, say they don't even tell Ipa make he tell im wife Regina Daniel, say as a wife of a man from Anioma, it is so uncalled for her to post a video of her husband almost half, you understand, on social media, wey be say no be the wife na im dey see am, the whole media space dey see am, say she go need to do some certain cleansing. Say im be, they don call Ned Nwoko, don tell am before now, but Ned just use mouth, just overlook and say nothing dey happen. Say im go talk to her, say but make dem just forgive her, say na still small pikin dey worry her, una know say na Gen Z baddie, this one, that one. Imagine when Ned Nwoko dey cover up for Regina Daniel. Abi na because of the love wey im get for her, e make am dey cover for her. They no know. Na im dey come ask Ned Nwoko, say this one you are covering for Regina, shey na you wan come do the cleansing? Na you wan come do the necessary things wey she need to do for this particular thing wey she do like this? So say because there is a penalty for it, na im make dem dey call am cleansing. Say she need to calm down. The both of them need to calm down. Ned Nwoko said no, they dey busy, they no get chance, they no get this. Now where they see, they say they no get chance, they are busy, they don't have this, they say they don't hear. Before you know, boom, Regina Daniel come up with another one, with a bag of money, say she won't go club, go spray for club. Now they say the elders come provocate, say wait oh, I wonder who even they give the elders those informations where they get. Now they say the elders say, see person wey tell me say dem dey busy, say dem dey very very busy with activities choke, but whenever they are less busy, say they will come around. Say make the elders no vex, make they forgive Regina Daniel. Now still the same person now, na him wan go club, go spray money. Na him still get enough time. They go from one clubhouse to the other. The other day, now they start the list am. They start the list am for Ned Nwoko. Say see, the other day your wife was seen in a club where she dey oof, they take things where they come out from her mouth and from her nose, smoke just they come out anyhow. Where she no be onyogogoro, just like that. As a wife of a man from Anioma, it is not supposed to be. We know they even dey talk about her dressing because that one na her lifestyle. We no go come stop her or tell her what to do concerning her dressing. Na she go reason am on her own end say, as a responsible woman, I shouldn't be doing this. But for her not to have stopped and you, the husband, not to have stopped her, you get your reason. But you see this particular one now is a dent on their image and on the people of Anioma that it is never accepted. As they talk that one, they enter house. They say as immediately they just see that video of where Regina carry herself come out. And I know say for my previous video, I talk and say, people are watching. Even people where you no believe say they watch you. They actually they watch you, but you no go know. Now when something stop, now you go know say village people they watch person. This one now the physical one. Oh. You know they talk about the one where we say they know they even talk. For the other realm, they do wetin dey their mind, but God no go allow them see Regina and her family. Those ones where they get or another eye for back, where they won't take do her bad. God no go allow them, see Ned Nwoko and his family and Regina. But like this, so it shortalize people say, they see that video. Now this time around, they come together, come give Regina a call. Say they go need her to be around, that they've called the husband is speaking on her behalf, say she is busy, and that they know that she is not busy, that they need her, that she know that all these things that she's displaying on the media space is not accepted and is not allowed. Say, okay, see a video of her where she dey dance, they take things and things, they come up for nose, they come up for mouth. And okay, see another video where Regina almost removed a husband thing for outside. A man from Anioma, a prince for that matter. You almost come out in thing outside. Shebi she don't forget the oath wey bind she and her husband. She don't forget how the Aniomas they do their thing. Why she go do like that? Say, as such, she need to come, say then get talk. They need to still give her more orientation and to do the cleansing. Now they say Regina come they apologize. Say she already delete the video. But even if you delete her, media space, no they forget. Most especially that one way she dey take things and things through nose and through mouth. She don't delete them. But people wey don't post them, don't already post them. And you know go fit come go tell those people say make them delete them. You know they ever possible. Be say e don't dey, be say e don't dey. Nothing say I don't delete them, this one, that one. Then they say no be something. They just want let her know say her presence is needed. Say for marriage, you know only they marry your husband. You marry in people as well. And if you they go against their tradition, they have every right to call you to order. Say make you come do the needful. Say this particular act where you don't do so is against the law of the land. You might be a Gen Z and a Gen Z body for that matter. But you know go come temper with our tradition and ways of living. All because of say you be Gen Z. So as such, we need you urgently to come do the needful. Now they say Regina Sator, say she will come. Say may they just give her small time, make she arrange herself. That if she's coming, she go let them know. When I see the reason we make they talk say, no be everything now you go carry come social media. Because on that day when people they talk, she say, people no even they talk go Anioma side. People only they talk go as a senator's wife. No say senator, they no even talk. They only they laugh the Ned Nwoko. They already know say maybe now for popularity or something, I make Regina they do am. Based on say election they come again, maybe she don't do all those ones. The man don't they popular, it go dey easy to win the heart of people. So they no even they talk at all because maybe na their own strategy be that. But the people of Anioma, the elders, are not finding it funny. Say you know go come sit down, make small pikin come carry hand. They go the other side of your body, all because of say you no want talk. Say it is unacceptable. that day she dey talk say he's a senator but na her husband for inside house. We all know. But e get some certain things wey you should protect, because now they make reference to other wives that okay, make she see, have she ever seen where other wives carry their husband even in body wey be say e no wear shirt come outside, not to come talk of say e wan pee. She dey record am. She say no. Say why is her own different? Is it because she is young? So she need to come so that they go give her more orientation and give her the rules and regulation again. Maybe say she don't forget, and make she do the cleansing wey they talk. By the time wey dem charge her do other things like that, maybe she go come to realize, because they be don talk before, and to some extent Regina Daniel, if you observe, she been stop to dey post some certain things. She been stop to even dey post for some time. But may other na because of that stop posting wey come make her fan base come reduce small. So she needed something that would trigger people again and bring herself back to the minds of people. You know, say her own kind of work, she needs something wey go make her trend so that she go enter market. Because the more you trend, the more the market you sell. So she needed something that she would do that would trigger the minds of people. So na im make her come do that one. But now, as she do and finish, she don dey trend now. It is not acceptable in the people of Anioma. They are not okay, and they are not finding it funny. Now she don promise them say she go. They don steal am. Now only God know wetin go be the outcome of this particular thing. Because for marriage, you no only marry the man, you also marry in people. If in people are not comfortable with what you do, it is a problem. And I say they no go stop her. Make she know, make she dress anyhow wey she wan dress. Since the husband dey okay, and she no comot herself outside, she no waka without clothes, no wahala. But you see the one wey be say you go come dey say, and no be only her now, even the Ned wey go for keeping quiet and not cautioning her as an elderly man wey he be, say he also get his own to answer to. Na make they say make the both of them come. Omo, the matter e don become wetin e become. My people, no be small thing o. Make una come chook mouth for this matter. Una dey feel say the elders dey overreact, or they should just do the needful so that Regina can change from all these acts. Make una come, make we interact via the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendation. I still remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist, and me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.